kulaba kunaye mutya.
Wow.
Very beautiful. Oh my God. Kali hadara, but the song is really so nice. Yes, guys, my name is Kulikeyo in that commercial break. So we were here with our guest.
Yes.
Lati Wizi. Banange watu kuba mwaka imba. Hello.
Nege
igamba yakoze sana nkenyi sabye gamba. Sabye gamba baby, sabye yimbi.
Yani manyo.
Nyo.
Nga bigambo ki?
Tisobira nti waliwa negwe omanyi buno buwomi bwa kinyebwa mu nyama mama wamanya fumbe nyama ne kinyebwa kati bwa mwaka fana nya mama yabasinga.
Okay, let's Wizi weyanjira batulaba.
Oh my God.
Hello, how are you Uganda? How are you Africa? Nze bampita Lati Wizi all the way from born from Jinja. Ndi mwana Musoga. Nakatani ko kuyimba and I really thank gundi je bampadde era nga yabyebyo.
Oli managed by MC Katsi?
MC Katsi, we are working together. Naye I'm from Flag Media. Ekolembera omwami bamuyita Medi, but tuline Katsi Music.
Oh, that's really nice.
So Katsi akuyamba yambako?
Katsi anyambako at a percentage because he has signed me at a percentage. Then naye aline kinene yoliga igwemba denzi janga ntambula naye. So you reach a time where buyinga ekintu kigezemu nga mwagala expandinga. So that's where Katsi comes in.
Okay, so oina enyimba meka wetwogera kati?
Nine nyimba nyingi za stanaba fulomya, but right now commercially I have 3 songs.
Okay.
Olwabalu baita Sweet Love lwayitamu naye tebategeera yaluyimba.
Try lugenda uti.
Lole ewe mbambulidde tulo tunula ku kifaananyi waggulu mu kasonda. You're my reason to live, you're my sweet.
Okay. So netuba ne hello?
Yeah, netuba ne hello. Lwe luli current. Then netubeera ne Nva Jinja. Nozo lwe manyisa abantu abamu.
Okay.
Oli musajja Musoga.
Mwana weidinda.
Kale namusabu kubasoga bona abali idinda.
Abali okubona.
Amwena abali kumbona anizo mwana we Lati Wizi. Mwe bale kunkuza ntumira ku baba wange ni mama ni baganda bange.
Amaina bazira.
Amaina.
Baba. Amaina nakalo.
Amaina. Nakulira idinda mtaoni.
Yogera akalo.
Sironko.
Akalo nali mveno ba mbiko.
Mbiko. Mbiko omukyala n'omwami ani?
Omukyala n'omwami Segawa Lirinda n'omukyala bamweta Hanifa.
Mama bakwerabira linnya ly'omukyala.
Hanifa Namubiru.
Werabira linnya lya mama wo?
Tije habire. Bamweta Hanifa Namubiru nkwagala ino. Kwenda ino.
Okay.
Nibachali bange mwena abeyo abokukalo. Right now your boy is on TV.
All right. Mu music industry no ine yabayimbi botunulira bogamba nti ya chinkolera senga nkuba collaboration naye banja yitawo.
Like with males. Of course it's Maro. R&B Tavazinga. Like he's been my inspiration since day one. Mubakazi.
Ibintu abyagaliza basoga boka. Buli kamuntu
ntisigale.
So with females, man, I love Spicy Diana, man.
Oh my God.
Oli kuchido.
By the way, awo kati ate otandise okubanga ojjirira mu lwabayimbi. Divorce from here, land on me.
Atakati ono.
Otuse.
So kademu ako by the way.
In females.
Because the people might.
Serious note.
Yes.
Yeah.
My best female artist is Spicy Diana. And you know, can't sabi the one.
Yeah, Chisabe. Wakatera manager boyogera naye.
If at all there's a chance and we could remix this song, I don't know news over table.
Nedda. Oyagala ku remixing aluyimba ki?
But hello.
Yeah.
Kamukubire simu nage.
Olo tukuwadde. Kubanga ngenda kwogera ne Spice betuva wano. Njogera Spice. Akagala kakayimba.
By the way yakakola nnyo yakola
kati naba ne Spice.
Nagamba
ani yayimba akayimba kan ne
Lati Wizi
mwana wa idinda. yankuba ati mulete tuli kuja fena ku weekend we bale
Allah akbar takbir alhamdulillah